Hey there, Abe here to show you how to get started with the Sunpeak ChatGPT App framework. Starting from our website, we're going to grab the Getting Started command and run it in our terminal. This will install the Sunpeak CLI globally and initialize a new project. We'll accept the project defaults by calling it My App and using all of the default UIs provided by Sunpeak. We'll change into that directory and install dependencies in our new Sunpeak project. Up next, we'll start the Sunpeak development server. This opens up the ChatGPT app runtime on localhost. Before we check out the runtime, let's take a look at our new project code. While we open up the project, let's cover that the key abstractions in Sunpeak are resources and simulations. Resources are our app's UIs. They're served as resources in the MCP protocol. The default UIs we created are here at source/resources. Simulations are mock data to be used for testing resources locally and automatically. Those are here in tests/simulations. Now let's take a look at those resources and simulations running in the simulator. We can switch between those 6 default simulations. We can test our app renders properly in light and dark mode, inline and full screen, and much more. We'll switch over to the map simulation, and we can see that the runtime is a fully functional replica of the ChatGPT frontend. Switching over to the review simulation, let's confirm our app functionality and server calls work. We can see in the sidebar all of the current state of the app. We can edit that state directly and make sure that our app continues to render properly. Let's get our app running in ChatGPT. We'll go into My Account, Settings, Apps, Advanced Settings, Enable Developer Mode, and click Create App. Here, we'll set our app name and server URL. We need ChatGPT to connect to our local server, so we'll do that here with ngrok. We'll copy the ngrok forwarding URL. This URL will forward requests to our server on localhost. Set the server URL in ChatGPT. Make sure that you add the MCP path at the end. Next, we'll disable auth and finish our app creation. We can see that ChatGPT is preloading our app resources in the server logs here. Once that's finished, we can reference any one of our simulations and see it running here in live ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT to use our show carousel simulation. ChatGPT is calling our local server, and there we have it. Our app is running in live ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.